All right, welcome to the episode 3 of Trading Basics for Beginners. This is the episode 3 by Jimo. That's from Team Lead Plan B Xpress. Now, episode 1 was generally about introductory and about crypto buying and selling, which has to do with sport, not training, just basic navigation for you to familiarize yourself with the exchange, especially the Bybit exchange. And the episode 2 was much about stock, how to buy stock, local and international stock on different platforms we use, Trove, Meritrade, and all the like. Okay, those are brokers. Now we're looking at the Forex and synthetic trading. And I'm not going to detail about when you open your account. Okay, I use Capital Extend. So you have a lot of training you can go through when you get on board in Capital Extend. In fact, it's already simplified for you. I just want to get you familiarized about, navigating on exchange. Now, this platform is Tradingview that you can use trading crypto, Forex. Now, synthetics have their own trading views included, but I'm going to go to MT5. Now, the first thing is that what I have to come here is that if you are on our group for signals, all right, and exactly what you do is that you will see our signal the way we sent it. You may be finding it difficult to know how to go about using the signals. That's why I have to put this. Now, let's say look at gold. So look at gold. Let's say if we send gold to you to take trade on gold, let me just go to another of my gold. Okay, so let's say gold was sent to you this way. Okay, let's say gold was sent to you this way. That enter, then. So this is how it is. Look at it. And probably we'll send it this way. Maybe 1:2 risk reward or stuff like this. Now, this signal was sent to you, meaning you should enter gold at this price and then take profits whichever way. But the point is that you need to learn basic things too on knowing maybe when market has moved, when to now enter appropriately. So I'm going to show example on my MT5 on entering the market or taking trade and all of that, okay? So let's go. We're going to enter the market. Example, let's go here. Okay. Okay. So here we go to enter the market. Okay. So I go to my MT5, right? Sorry. Sorry. Let me go to another one. Ooh, I thought I closed this trade. Oh my God. No problem. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so let's go. I'm surprised to see a trade running. That's the problem with we that are very busy all the time trying to meet up. Now let's go. Go to my MT5. See, I have a trade running I never knew. I bought. What really happened? And this thing is selling massively. So now I want to enter gold. So now this is MT5. I'm not teaching, please, just to people who will give signal. Now I'm giving you signal. So what to do, you go to your MT5. If you cannot find, you go to click on this plus sign. Look at it here. Got this plus sign to add if the instrument is not there. So gold was what just gave that we should sell, all right? That is to sell or whatever. So now I'm selling gold. Let's go to gold. Just to do small example, this is gold. I go to this dollar sign. So let's say 0.01. So I want to do this example very fast. Now, so here is gold that you are asked to sell, okay? Now, once you have sold, you're asked to sell gold, right? You come back here. these are the instruments. Most time I always encourage us, I say, any instrument you are not trading, take it off from your platform so that you will not be confused about them. So gold. So when you come, you're asked to sell gold and you see the signal that the way it was given. Now, when you click here, it's just to see the instrument. When you click on chart, for instance, you click on the instrument like this. That is, look at XAU USD. You click on it, you see chart. Look at chart here. Sorry. Okay. Look at chart here. There is chart. All right. So I click on chart. So it pop up to show me chart. Now it's showing 1 hour time frame. I'm going to change it to like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So just to tap on your screen, you can see the numbers. So you click on 15 minutes. Look at it. So it's selling, right? Gold is selling. Now let's go. We're already in $2 profit or less than $2 again. So now when you are asked to sell gold, you are giving stop loss, take profit, and all of that. So when I come here, I've sold. So it asks me to take profit or stop loss, maybe somewhere at 3537 or so, 3537. So 3537. So you look at it up here, 3537. So you go to the trade. What are you going to do? See the whole body here. You will hold it, you will press it. It now pop up like this. Look at where it says modify position. So you now click on modify position. So where am I to take profits? Maybe 3537. I put it there. Where's my stop loss? Maybe my stop loss is maybe my stop loss is 3550, something like that. So 3551 or something like that. So I click it. I put it that way. So you can see. So if I come now, so look at my stop loss here. I'm just doing example and all of that. If I want to know how much am I going to lose if the trade goes south, so I'm going to lose just $6. It's not a bad deal. So I know, say how much am I going to make if the trade come my way? It's going to make $7. Now, if I like, I can drag this one down, maybe depending on where you have said the market to go to, but that's not what you're supposed to be doing. You make your market at this. So I click on modify. So that is to say, I'm extending my take profit level. So I'm already $2 profit, right? So the trade is running. So if I tap on it, I can see $16 is what I will make if it come my way. Just imagine. So I'm just showing you all of this. This is how you actually take trade. So if you see a trade that was running that is on negative before, I think it's back to profit. Why? So let's click that. This is USD. Was there news? Because like the market is recovering from dollar now. So if it's recovering, I was at loss much, about 9. That means I was at loss more than maybe $10. I didn't even know that I have a trade running. So, but if you look at it now, okay, gold is bouncing up sporadically. Now, okay, there should be, maybe there's a news. So sporadically that gold is bouncing up. Now look at this other one that have reduced so massively before. All right, that okay, today's okay, there's monetary policy report. It's not yet time. Okay, so just understand what I'm showing you, how to take all those trades. So look at dollar gaining momentum. Look at gold that gave us much money now. We are now in negative again now. So it's quite volatile because it's a new market open. New York just opened and all of that. So this is how you take trade in Forex, and the same pattern for synthetics. So I don't need to go over this, right? To take trade in synthetic, to take trade in Forex, and all of that. So if I look at this guy that I've not set stop loss on, so I go here to check. So invariably, all right, so invariably I could just go and set my take profit and then a stop loss. So maybe I want to take stop loss to be here, 148.391. Okay, so I could go there and press down, right? 148 point, is it 391 I said, whichever one, right? So let's go back to check. Yeah, that should be. So maybe I want to take profit at 149.4. 149.4. So I'm going to press down, put it there, 149.40. I say modify. So everything is modified, and you can see. So if I tap now, I can see I will make $18 if get my way. I will lose $15 if so this is not the proper one. So I've just forgotten that there was a trade I was running. I didn't remember. So you can see gold now, I'm negative again, $1.85 kobo. Oh, sorry, 85 cents. Sorry. Okay. So look at it, massive pullback and jumping back up for gold. So the same way, so if we move back here and lose, then we know how much we're going to lose. These are the things you do. So if I tap it, we're going to lose $6, no problem. Okay, that's how you take trade, both Forex, synthetics. So both Forex and synthetics, you trade them on platform like MetaTrader, and then sorry about your pardon. All of those other platforms like Tradelocker, Matchtrader, all right, and all of them. So this is very, very simple. You taking trade. So that most time people that are in our community, when we send signal, you are now struggling. Where am I going to take the trade? This is simply how you take trade. Okay. So I'm going to go into just basic things. So MT5, MT4, right? That's why we say when you come into our community, you are put through more detail, right? Opening your account, funding your account, moving money and all of that. Okay. Very, very simple. Okay. You don't need to give yourself unnecessary stress on how to trade, right? One other good thing is that you remember we told you people about a software we have called Bekenet software, right? A software we have called Bekenet software. This give you regular signal, right? This give you regular signal. Look at this as signal on Bekenet. So if I click now, Bekenet give me signal to trade. Look at Bekenet give me said buy free zone button GBP JPY. GBP JPY. So I'm just opening this one. Maybe it's not recent anyway. So I click on load FX GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Then I load it. Then I click on settings. Okay. And then what is the signal rate? 77%, which is good. I click on weekly key level. Look at it. It has been buying since that time. Because if you look at on daily key level even, so this has been buying since that time. So probably can I still buy? Maybe I now check my whatever and see if it's still on a good buy. Let's even look at it on MT5. Okay. Dollar again is giving me negative. See that gave me plenty money just now. So GBP JPY, let's look at it. GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY. Wow. See, you can see the buy that's been buying since morning. That's what it means. When Bekenet software have given you, see, assurance. Look at the money. 1 hour sleep is the low, then recovery, return, failed. So perhaps it's traveling up here, right? That's what it means. But can I just jump in? Absolutely no. But I didn't mean I was there on time. So that means if I had wanted to enter this GBP, JPY, that's like this. It's a very volatile pairs. So let me reduce to just 0.01. I click on buy. So the same way, okay? If I click on buy, then sometimes we say take 2 positions. But please, you do your detail before you do all of these things I'm doing. So look at it. GBP JPY. So I can set my stop loss, take profit the way I just did this one now, and then continue. See this one that was giving us much profit. You are now negative. But you know what? You already set your stop loss and take profit, so you have nothing to fear, all right? So let's look at the GBP JPY. Perhaps let's say I want to set my stop loss here. That's 199.02. 199.02. 199.02.
So my take profit, I don't even know where I'm going to set 205. I'm not sure I can get there. So let's check. So 199.02, same thing. Oh, is this one we just finished now? 199 plus 0.02. 199.02. I think I'm correct. So let's go and check. 199.02. So okay. So my take profit can be this high. 200.229. 200.229. 200.229. Okay, so I will do the other one. Okay, 200. So 200.229. So I click and go. Okay, so I've set my stop loss and take profit. So the rest is to go and rest. Okay, if I have time, I could go and check whatever that is happening in the market trend and all of that. Maybe when I need to set my break-even point, do you understand? And then you do that at interval, probably so that you not be under fear and pressure. So you have already told stop loss, hit stop loss if the market is not going my way and change direction. Like if you look at gold now, may hit our stop loss anytime soon. All right. But we're in profit that time. Well, look at it. Absolutely, we're going to hit stop loss shortly. But after this inducement, this market is going to buy more because it had just recently created a new all-time high and all of that. So any other thing it was doing was just a mere pullback and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how it is. So now if you want to close the trade prematurely, it's just for you to sweep like this. Use your finger to sweep left, then or the same way, you still do like this. You see close position, you close it. You see like this, you see close position. You say, are you closing with this amount? You say, yes, I'm closing that way. So if it's gold, the same way. Okay. Say close position. Say, do you want to lose it this way? Say, yeah. So let's say I just close it because I may not have time to start monitoring anything. So this one too, am I closing it? Let me just close it. Position this way, then you're done. So you allow these ones to just be running and all of that. So that's how you take trade. It's not difficult, right? It's very, very simple. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are in our ecosystem and yet you are not getting it right, it is important you settle down to watch of this episode. So this is the third episode, trading basics for beginners. So especially how to take signals. Many of you find it difficult when we send signal, you wouldn't take it because say I don't know how to go there, I don't know where to press, and all the like. So you have no excuse again. Very simple for you now. You can anything you do not understand, once you have registered, you ask us question, and then we put you through. Go to the comment section. There's a document there. You click on it, where you can find links. If it's forex you are interested in, if it's synthetic you are interested in, if it's crypto future trading you are interested in, we have free signal for all of them. Once you have registered, fund your account with us in Bybit, with us on Binance, with us on BitGet or CoinW for crypto, then on Capital Extend for forex, right? And then on there is synthetics and well trade for synthetics. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this basic is just to help you, not teaching you, because if I need to start teaching you technical analysis, you see the one we just entered now. This is GBP JPY. You see when Bekenet software have given signals this morning. See how massive it has bought. So imagine if we're checking GBP JPY. This is about 70 something pips. So if it's going to get here, that's 90 pips, which is okay for the day, right? Let's look at AUD USD. We actually have, yes, AUD JPY, okay, something like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is just to put you through on basic navigation about taking signals, taking trade, and enjoy your trade. All right. So my name again is Meda Safepal Jima. I'm the team lead on Plan B Xpress. You want to have, more inquiry and maybe you want to apply for private mentorship, you can chat on this phone number +234 90 470, right? 470 44 and 998. I take the number again, +234 90 470 44 and 998. Congratulations. Thank you very much for following up. Episode 1 was a very fantastic one. Episode 2 was a nicely one. And then episode 3 was a very fantastic one. The episode 4 is going to talk much about robotic, how to use robot to trade your crypto futures, and then robotic for other trading segments that are very, very fantastic. You can enjoy it, right? Which is going to be next episode. But this just to take you around on basics. So thank you very much and do have a nice time.